Alright, so welcome back, lawn amateurs. Thanks for tuning in to a little quick update video. So today I actually was coming outside. I just got off of work, and as you see, the skies, we got gray skies. It's been storming and raining all day long, and we've been experiencing high winds, and it's out of control at the moment. But the reason why I shot this video, because I wanted to show you guys what I'm actually dealing with and the problems I'm having right now. And remember, I was telling you guys that I need to cut down a few of these trees. Well, let's check it out. You see the grass is real green. It's looking good. But then I go to the left side of my yard, and boom, here we have it. This actually fell down a few minutes ago. Luckily nobody was hurt, but this is what I'm dealing with. And I didn't even expect this tree onto the left here. This is where it came from. As you see, maybe right up in there, one of the branches are snapped. So it actually snapped, and then the wind actually blew it over this way in the air. And boom, here we go. Let's back up, get the full effect. It's not as big as, the one that I had over here last year, but it's big enough. And if someone was back here, someone could have got hurt. But this was just a little quick update video I wanted to show you guys. I'll have the rest of the lawn video of the backyard renovation. It'll be coming up shortly. And actually, over here you can see I'm getting some damage here. Well, from when I sprayed the tenacity down, so it is damaging the weeds here, because they're starting to turn a different color. They're starting to actually turn yellow on the nutsedge part. Let's see if I can get a little part. I don't want to walk on it because it's kind of soggy back here. Well, not soggy, but it's wet, and I don't have any shoes on. So, well, you can see little yellow. So it's stripping down the plant. We're stripping down the weeds here. So, but we'll have a better update in the future. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm dealing with, and it's gonna be a rough year back here until I get all these trees cut down. But I'm dedicated to it, and that's the next step I'm gonna actually take. I can't do anything about the trees right now, because my guy that I know that actually cuts and do the work, that cut the trees down, we're still on lockdown, so none of those type of businesses can actually run at the moment. But so I got a little task ahead of me right here, removing this. I'm gonna end up chopping it down and disposing of it somewhere. But that's about it. Hope you guys stay tuned. You see the winds. It's very windy back here. Let me get back inside. I don't want to get caught out here and actually get hurt by a fallen branch. So you guys take care. Stay tuned for the next update video. We'll be back in the lawns very shortly. Better days ahead.